Guys, what's up? It's Ethan here, your boy, Macklin. Here we are, the final video of Light Up Rocket, Slingshot Rocket. Obviously, lights up. So, for this time, we're going first to 5. Macklin has 2 right now. If he gets one more, if he wins this little section, then he wins the whole thing. But if I win, we're still in. If I win another one, then we're still in. Then it all comes down to who wins the other one. So, you're up, man. All right, so first time, Macklin right there, white shirt. He won by a little bit that first in part 1. Part 2, I barely pulled it back and it went nowhere. It fell off a weird way. All right, so here we go. This is for all the money. You're up, man. No way! That's not the farthest. That's like 3 inches off the farthest one that we've ever done. Dude! That's gonna be like impossible to get. Look at this. Stand right here. Face the trampoline. Dude, what the heck?
That's pretty far.
That is really far.
I don't know if you can beat that.
So now, just gotta grab that.
I think I have the farthest world record.
It's not
I'm joking. Farthest
I
out
got
of
mine
Austin.
right here.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. All right, my turn. I cannot sew. I gotta pull back as far as it can go and just release it with the good amount of speed. Perfect height, too. Here we go. Dude, this is crazy.
That's not that far.
Show it. Where you're standing, turn. Steph, get it? Let's go! And bounces count, by the way.
Bro.
So if yours bounced far as...
Well, your length is like even like that.
Still, it bounced. You know, I count the bounces for everybody. All right, so now it is 2-1. Go, it's your turn. Better go up. That's round 1 for today's finale video. Part 3. All right.
That's frustrating.
So, yeah, I know, dude. That's crazy.
So if I win this one, do I win it all?
If you get this one, you win it all. Same as last time. It's just I have one more point on the board. If I win this next one, then we have one last one. But if it's a tie, we keep going, obviously.
And then if Ethan wins this next one, then it's going to be a different video.
Yeah,
Epic
dude.
champion.
If I win this one, it'll be...
A whole different video with intense music, like.
I don't know about that. All right, ready? Here we go. This could be it. If he yeets this far enough, yeah, he's gonna win. All right, ready when you are, Mac Attack. Oh shoot, dude, you had to launch it into all the. That's not that far. Trust me, it landed terrible. Okay, dude, why? Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's fine, I guess. You see that, guys? It's right there. I'm gonna go get it. Got it, baby. Okay, so Macklin, it's right in line with where I am. Go in line with me over there. Give me the, just go. Give me the. Go line up where it's pointing. Scoot up a little. Stop. All right, I'm coming over. I'm gonna hand this off to you. All right, dude. Right here was crazy hard. No, right here. Dude, I was right here. take a small step up at least. That's good. A little farther, dude. Come on. This is where I was. Normal step. This far. There. That's fine. I don't care. Ready? Yeah. I had to get this real far. You know what'd be crazy?
What?
I landed it on the shed.
Not possible.
Probably not possible, but, you know, could be. Here we go! Awesome launch! I'm coming. Stay in line with where you were. Did I get it? Yo! Let's freaking go. It's tied. That means this video ends. Dude. Don't worry, y'all. See you in the next one. It's gonna be, I'd say, pretty big. You know, I know you look kind of dumb. You look kind of bummed right now. I thought he had that one in the bag. Well, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.